Why are you guys always fighting? Can't you guys understand each other?
Well, he threatened to beat me up if I don't leave the school because of my different religion.
You're disturbing my prayers.
Well, you try.
Hey, what's going on here?
I see that this problem is not just differences, but because you don't respect each other. If this continues, the school atmosphere would become uncomfortable. This is a map that shows Indonesia. So, Indonesia has a history of conflict, especially the conflict between Sara, which is called ethnic, religious, racial, and also intergroup. One example is the Ambon conflict of 1999, which occurred because of the tensions between two different religious groups. As a result, more than 5,000 people were killed and more than 700,000 people were displaced. The causes are rooted in religious, economic differences, and injustice felt by society.
Keanu, Keinan, how are you now? Come on. So, what actually happened here?
We don't get along here because he's too different. He don't fit with us, and they don't belong here. They don't have our culture, our way of thinking, or even our interests. It feels like they're outsiders trying to change what we have here. They disturb our prayers too.
That's just your own prejudice, Keinan. You're judging them before you even try to understand me. Just because someone has a different background or way of thinking doesn't mean they don't belong here. We are all students of this school, and this school is a place for everyone. If you want to get to know them, you might realize that we have more in common than you think, and you're being too noisy.
Kenan, why are you judging them? Don't you realize the differences don't have to lead to fighting? In the past, riots occurred because people refuse to respect each other. You have the power to choose a different path.
I didn't realize our small fight could be like those big conflicts in history.
Keinan, try seeing it from their perspective. We're all here to learn, not to fight.
If we're more respectful, we can prevent bigger conflicts than the one we read about in history.
Alright guys, we can learn from history Sara conflicts are always detrimental. The solution is dialogue and mutual respect. If we want, we can prevent conflict starting from the school.
Yes, we all have to learn from history. We can appreciate differences, not make a big deal out of them.